Hi there, I'm Blake from Bestop. Is your factory soft top a little bit worn out, or is your Super Top NX just looking a little bit tired? The Bestop OEX Replace-a-top might be just what you need. A Replace-a-top is a fabric-only replacement for your factory soft top or Super Top NX. Since the Replace-a-top is fabric-only, make sure your hardware is in good shape. If it's not, a Super Top NX or one of our other complete soft top kits might make more sense. Let's talk about what OEX means. Other companies may claim that their tops are OE spec'd or factory approved, but since Bestop is the supplier for Jeep, our fabric is the only one that's the same as used by the factory. The OEX Replace-a-top features 40 mm thick windows tinted at 18% to keep your interior quiet and cool. Along with all of the quality you've come to expect from Bestop, this top features heavy-duty zippers, fully sealed seams, and individually replaceable windows. This OEX top fits into the middle of Bestop's Replace-a-top lineup between sailcloth and premium twill. If your Jeep is as trail tested as the one behind me, the more economical sailcloth option might be right for you. If you're looking for the ultimate replacement for your factory soft top fabric, look to the black twill Replace-a-top. The black twill Replace-a-top features the same 40 mm windows as the OEX, but with thicker acrylic fabric for an even quieter ride. The sailcloth Replace-a-top is covered by a 5-year limited warranty. OEX and black twill are both covered by Bestop's industry-leading limited lifetime warranty. When the fabric on your factory soft top is ready to be replaced, Bestop's Replace-a-top line, now featuring OEX fabric, has a great option for everyone.